Have you ever heard traders mention gamma levels and wondered what they mean? Gamma is one of the most important Greeks in options trading, and understanding it can help you predict price movements and manage risk more effectively. In this video, I'll break down what gamma is, what gamma levels mean, and how they impact your trades, all in beginner-friendly terms. Gamma is a measure of how much an option's delta changes when the underlying stock price moves by $1. Delta, remember, is how much the option price moves relative to the stock. So if delta tells you how sensitive your option is to price, gamma tells you how fast that sensitivity is changing. High gamma means the option's delta will change rapidly, making the option more responsive to stock movements. Low gamma means delta changes slowly, so the option moves more predictably. Gamma levels refer to the specific points where options have high or low gamma. Traders pay attention to these levels because they often indicate where the market could experience sharp price moves. For example, when the stock price is near strike prices with high gamma, market makers may need to buy or sell shares aggressively to hedge their options positions. This can create sudden price acceleration or support resistance zones in the market. 1. Predict volatility. High gamma zones often lead to larger price swings. 2. Manage risk. Understanding gamma helps you position your trades properly, especially for short-term options. 3. Spot key levels. Gamma clusters often align with critical support/resistance areas. Traders often use gamma levels alongside volume, technical analysis, and other indicators to increase the accuracy of their trades. Remember, gamma is not a directional indicator. It doesn't tell you whether the stock will go up or down. It tells you where price moves could accelerate, helping you anticipate volatility and hedge appropriately. So now you know what gamma levels are and why professional options traders monitor them closely. Drop a comment below. Have you ever used gamma levels in your trading? And if you want daily AI-powered trading insights and options setups, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more actionable trading strategies.